In our previous class, we had seen how we can make use of theme roller in the developer toolbar. That is under the customize. We had launched this theme roller and we had created our own theme style using this theme roller, and we had saved using the name Vita Customer 1. Now let me just revert back and click on save, and I will bring back this to the Vita theme that comes out of the box when we create any application in FX. Now if your customer asks, I don't want this kind of style, rather make use of the Redwood style, with Oracle users in almost all the pages what they build across the product. So in order to do the changes, we can make this application live, or we can even override the style over here in the application theme, and we can create a overwritten theme like Redwood Customer 1, what we created for Vita, and we can provide all the properties like what it is having over here, CSS and the input file. Otherwise, in the application, we can create the customize, open the theme roller. From the selected theme, we can select this Redwood light. Under the Redwood options, it will ask pillar. By default, it will be neutral, but we can select teal, or we can make use of ocean. It will change the color of your Redwood theme. Like here, if I change to teal, it will add the teal color. Coming to the layout, you can make it as floating, or you can make it as container, or it can make it as a S2H. S2H would be better. Coming to the header, it's a light. We can make it as a dark so that it can follow all other Redwood styles, which Oracle uses. Basically, all the application or the pages are using the black color. Coming to navigation menu, also we can make it as a dark, or we can make it as a pillar. Whatever suits your use case, you can do that same. Coming to the body also we can make dark. So this is what is used in almost all the applications of Oracle. Usually it will be a dark. Coming to the background, if you can make dark, you can make dark. Otherwise, you can make it as light. So this is the default color. So all those settings are available at the moment in the Redwood applications what we create. And then we can save, saying this is the Redwood style for the customer 1, and click on save. Done. So we can see this style getting created over here. Let me just refresh and go over to my styles. So as soon as we save, we will be getting this Redwood Customer 1 over here. Let me close this theme roller and navigate across the application. So the home page or the dashboard page also got changed. All the pages will reflect this Redwood new style, which we selected just now. So this will be looking very good when we embed the Apex applications built using the Redwood light on the Fusion. If you're building the Fusion extensions using the Apex Redwood light theme.